Hi, everyone. Today, I want to talk about my favorite movie, Pride and Prejudice. It's a classic, and even though it was first published in 1813, people still love it today. The most famous movie version came out in 2005, starring Keira Knightley as Elizabeth Bennet and Matthew Macfadyen as Mr. Darcy. The story is set in England during the early 19th century, and it's about love, pride, and misunderstandings. The movie follows Elizabeth Bennet, a smart, confident, and independent young woman who has 5 sisters. Her mother is very eager to marry them off to rich men, which creates a lot of pressure. Elizabeth meets Mr. Darcy, a rich man who at first seems proud and cold. She doesn't like him at all, thinking he's arrogant, but over time, she begins to see a different side of him. The movie shows how both of them have to deal with their own pride and prejudice before they can truly understand each other and fall in love. I love this movie for many reasons. First, Elizabeth is a character I really admire. She's strong and speaks her mind. She doesn't care about money or social status, and she wants to marry for love, not wealth. Then there's Mr. Darcy. He starts out seeming like a very proud and reserved man, but as we learn more about him, we see that he's kind and loyal, even though he struggles with his own pride. Their relationship is so interesting to watch because both characters develop and change throughout the movie. The movie also has some beautiful settings. The English countryside looks amazing, and the houses where the characters live are so elegant. The costumes are also fantastic and really help bring the story's time period to life. It's easy to get lost in the movie's world because everything is so well done. There are a lot of important themes in Pride and Prejudice, too. Pride is a big one. Mr. Darcy is proud of his social status, and Elizabeth is proud of her independence and values. But both characters have to let go of their pride to find happiness. Another big theme is prejudice. Elizabeth judges Mr. Darcy based on his wealth and his cold personality at first, but later she realizes she was wrong. The movie also explores the importance of family. Elizabeth's relationship with her family is complicated, especially with her mother, who's focused on marrying her daughters to rich men, and her father, who doesn't worry too much about it. But Elizabeth's bond with her sister Jane is really special and plays a big part in the story. My favorite part of the movie is the ending. It's such a romantic and satisfying conclusion. After all the misunderstandings and obstacles, Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy finally realize that they love each other. They get married, and the movie ends on a happy note, reminding us that love can be difficult, but is so worth it when you find the right person. That's why Pride and Prejudice is my favorite movie. It has great characters, beautiful settings, and important themes about love, pride, and understanding. If you haven't seen it yet, I definitely recommend it. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this podcast. See you next time.